Is your Model 3 not reaching its advertised range? There are several key reasons why this happens. We'll explore the core factors affecting your charging performance. First, battery degradation is a primary factor. Lithium-ion batteries in your Model 3 naturally lose capacity over time due to chemical aging and cycling stress. This happens through electrolyte breakdown and repeated charging cycles. Second, software settings play a crucial role. Charge limits and other configurations can prevent your Model 3 from reaching full capacity. Make sure features like Charge to Max are enabled in your vehicle's settings. Third, battery calibration issues can cause inaccurate range estimations. When calibration is off, your vehicle might not accurately reflect the true battery capacity. Reset this by performing a full discharge and recharge cycle. These three core reasons, battery degradation, software settings, and calibration, are the main culprits behind your Model 3 not charging to full range. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into each with practical solutions. Battery degradation is the gradual reduction in your battery's ability to hold a charge over time. This natural process affects all lithium-ion batteries, including those in your Tesla Model 3. Several factors can accelerate this degradation process. Frequent fast charging puts stress on the battery cells. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, affect chemical reactions inside the battery, and repeatedly draining the battery to very low levels causes additional wear. As shown in this diagram, operational habits like charging patterns, environmental factors such as temperature, and even time itself contribute to battery aging. Under normal conditions, Tesla Model 3 batteries degrade at about 1 to 2% per year. However, in harsh conditions like frequent fast charging or extreme temperatures, this can accelerate to 5 to 10% annually. Newer models with improved battery technology can retain up to 90% of their original range after 100,000 miles. This graph illustrates how battery temperature affects remaining capacity across different charge cycles. As temperature increases, capacity decreases, showing why temperature management is crucial for battery health. While some degradation is normal, you can minimize it by keeping charge levels between 20 and 80%, avoiding extreme temperatures, and using slower charging when possible. Tesla's Energy app provides real-time degradation metrics to help you monitor your battery's health. This energy graph shows typical daily discharge and charge patterns. Monitoring such data helps identify habits that might accelerate degradation and allows you to optimize your charging schedule. Looking ahead, Tesla's new 4680 battery cells offer significantly better performance with 16% more energy density and 56% lower degradation rates. Upcoming software will include AI-driven predictive charging, and solid-state batteries are expected by 2030, potentially doubling battery longevity. Tesla's software offers several settings that directly impact your charging habits. Start by checking your charge limit in the Tesla app or on the car's screen. Ensure it's set to 100% if you need the full range for a trip. Also, familiarize yourself with preconditioning. Warming the battery before charging, especially in cold weather, can significantly improve charging efficiency and range. In cold conditions, as shown in this data, charging rates drop significantly. Preconditioning helps counter this by warming the battery, allowing for more efficient charging and better range retention. These simple adjustments can often resolve incomplete charging issues, helping your Model 3 achieve its maximum advertised range. If your range estimate seems consistently inaccurate, a battery calibration might be necessary. Range estimates can become inaccurate due to battery aging and usage patterns, leading to over- or underestimation. The simplest method is to reset the trip meter after each charge. This helps recalibrate the range estimate and can be done through the vehicle controls or Tesla app. For a more thorough calibration, Tesla recommends occasionally allowing the battery to discharge to a low level of around 10 to 20% before fully recharging it. This helps the battery management system accurately assess its capacity. Avoid letting the battery sit at very low or very high states of charge for extended periods, as this can accelerate degradation. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that include improvements to battery management algorithms. These updates optimize charging efficiency, improve range estimations, and help mitigate the effects of battery degradation. Make sure your Model 3 is set to automatically receive these updates to benefit from the latest advancements in battery management. Tesla released V12.5.1 of its software, which included enhanced battery management algorithms to better predict and optimize charging to full range. This update also improved preconditioning features that warm the battery before fast charging. Your driving style and environmental conditions significantly affect your Tesla Model 3's range. Aggressive acceleration, high speeds, and frequent braking consume more energy than smooth driving. High speeds particularly reduce efficiency, as shown in this range comparison graph for Model 3 vehicles. Cold weather can reduce range by 15 to 25% due to energy needed for battery and cabin heating. Proper tire inflation is crucial for efficiency. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and reduce range, similar to fuel economy impacts shown here. Plan trips considering these factors and adjust habits for optimal range. Supercharging is convenient for long trips, but frequent use of high-powered chargers can accelerate battery degradation over time. When possible, choose slower Level 2 charging at home or public stations to preserve your battery's health. If you need to use a supercharger, Tesla's Trip Planner helps by preconditioning your battery and selecting optimal stations to reduce energy loss during charging. According to Tesla's 2024 data on thousands of vehicles, avoiding frequent charging at 100 kilowatts or higher and combining it with off-peak home charging can reduce degradation by up to 30%. Looking ahead to long-term battery health, the future of Tesla batteries looks promising with new technologies and proactive maintenance strategies. Newer Tesla models are adopting 4680 battery cells, which offer 16% more energy density and significantly lower degradation rates compared to older cells. This technology helps maintain battery health over longer periods. Looking further ahead, by 2030, Tesla plans to integrate solid-state batteries, which could double battery longevity and enable nearly perfect range retention even after 1 million miles of driving. In the meantime, proactive maintenance is key. Start by optimizing your charge settings. Keep your battery between 20 to 80% when possible, and use preconditioning in cold weather to warm the battery before charging. Avoid extreme temperatures by storing and charging your Tesla in moderate conditions. Extreme heat or cold can accelerate battery degradation and reduce your available range. Keep your Tesla's software updated. Over-the-air updates from Tesla include advanced battery management algorithms that can improve range and reduce degradation over time. If battery issues persist despite these maintenance tips, consult Tesla support or visit a certified technician for diagnostic scans and professional help to ensure your Model 3's battery health.